Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a lip swatch of these INC.redible, I think it's INC.redible Jammy lips, the Lacquer lip tints. So I'm going to put these on so you can see what they look like and do a little mini review on them. So the first one we're going to look at is called Fruity Feels. Fruity Feels is described as a juicy pink. And talk about the first impressions about these and any review that I have from it so far. I picked it up in Fruity Feels, When Life Gives You Fruit, Squeeze Me, and Slow Jams. So obviously there's a theme of fruit here, and the website says it is a rich and juicy liqueur lip tint that is bursting with hydration. It has vitamin E to kind of help to keep lips from chapping. The texture is similar to rich summer fruits simmering before they are made into jam, and the applicator is designed with ease in mind. After use, lips are left soft to the touch, colored, and visibly plump. When it's applying on, I guess I can see what they're talking about, where you have that, like if it was the fruit that was like melting to become a jam, like I get that, I see where they're going with it. But at the same time, I'm kind of like, I'm not a fan of the texture per se. I think these are nice, like to add some hydration if you wanted some color, something that was affordable, you could do this. But it's almost a bit like plasticky looking. It doesn't look like it blends in with the skin. It's just kind of there. So let's first start off with the applicator. So the applicator comes in a plastic tube. You open it up. However, when you turn it, like you can't bring it back. Like I'm trying to bring it back in like you would like a normal like tube of lipstick. You would like open and close it. This one doesn't do that. So I can open it over here and it goes and clicks, but you can't bring it back. So that's kind of something that's a little different about these, that it does that. Each of these have a different scent. So the Squeeze Me has a berry vanilla scent, which I smell more berry than vanilla, but there is a sweetness to it, so it's not like full on berry, so I can see that little subtle hint there. Slow Jams is blueberry, and I can get a little bit of artificial blueberry there. Not like realistic smelling, but artificial. Fruity Feels is also a berry vanilla. I can smell it more vanilla in this one. And then the last one is When Life Gives You Fruit. This one is an orange peach scent. And so that kind of does have that orange peach scent. Again, they're a little bit more on the artificial side, not so much natural. So after like blotting my lips, I do see it change a bit, so it looks a little bit more natural. So it's more of a fruit color. Like if it was like a just bitten blueberry or something like that, that would be like this. I think it looks a lot better when you blot it like this first, and then that would actually work so much better. They do transfer, so you can see on my hand, it does transfer. It is shiny, but after you blot it, it kind of helps a little bit to tone it down a bit, but you do have color there. So I think these are good, especially during like the spring, summertime, when you want something quick and easy to go. You just pop it on and head out the door. I've actually been looking for something like these because there are days when I really don't feel like getting all like dressed up and makeuped up. There are times when I literally just want to put on like something quick and easy to go and just kind of dab off of the excess color and just get out the door. And this is it. And they're pretty affordable. They smell nice, definitely hydrating to the lips. I wouldn't apply it like a lip balm per se, because that's not what they are. But they're just there for like whenever you want to get out the door, have some kind of lip product on, but not necessarily have like lipstick or anything like that. So these are like a nice in between. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed these lip swatches of these INC.redible lip products. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video.